Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. My name's Lynette. If you're new, thank you for joining me, and if you're returning, thank you so much. It means so much to me, and I know I say it in every video, but that's because it is absolutely true. So today I have come on to, have I got the right one? Yes, I have. I've come on to do a review of the March Birchbox. So it was You Go Girl, which is all to do with the International Women's Day, which was on the 8th of March. I'm just going to put it out here. I am not best pleased with my Birchbox this month. I've got 3 items which are a repeat, and 1 I had a couple of months ago. So I'm just going to go through them. I mean, I love the box. The box is absolutely amazing, right? So I'm going to go through my items. So the first item I got was the clay highlighter. Now it's full size and it was worth, oh great, it doesn't tell you. I don't know why I thought it told you, but I mean it's not cheap. However, oh, £22 it is there. However, I got this in my January box, so I was not best pleased with that. However, I am going to put it to a new home, so all is not lost. The next item is the Beauty Crop, and the packaging is very kind of similar to the glossy box, and that's in Sardinia Sand. I'm going to add that to my collection of bronzers. So I started off with like 1 and now I've got tons. It's a bit of a pig to open actually with your nails, and it's quite small, so it'd be quite nice for holiday. But you'd have to swirl around it if you used a big brush. So that's Sardinia Sand. I'll swatch that for you. And it's quite a nice kind of delicate bronzy colour. So I was pleased with that. So that had an RRP of £8, although I would not have paid £8 for that. The next item, which is the one that I've been told is a repeat, is the Smoothing Balm. I actually quite like this. However, the full size is £24.50, so I would not be spending £24.50 on the full size. But it is nice to try it, but I know it's a repeat. We got the little Calvin Klein Women sample. What else did we get? Oh yeah, we got the Generation Clay, and now I went for the, holding it the right way, I went for the Ultraviolet Brightening Clay Mask. Now I have done a video on this for my Face Mask Friday, and it's really, really nice. I really enjoyed it. However, the full size is £28.50, so I'd need to be feeling kind of pretty generous to myself to buy it. I don't think I would spend that amount of money on a mask. It was great, you know, but it wasn't that great, and I get so many masks as well. So the last item was actually hands down my favourite in this box. So I've not got it. I thought I had the packaging, but I've thrown it away. So it was the Daily Concepts, and it was the multifunction charcoal soap sponge. So that's £6, and it's a 2-in-1 soap sponge combined detoxifying charcoal cleanser. I absolutely love it. So you squeeze it to create a foam, then lather up. The charcoal purifies and balances like all skin types. After rinse and clean, bask in a squeaky clean feeling, and actually you do feel really kind of squeaky clean. So I really did enjoy that. That was my favourite item of the box. And I know that Birchbox have been in touch with people who have had repeat offenders, such as the Pawpaw, which and they've offered them, I think it's £5 off their shop. However, nobody's got in touch with me. I did private message them on Instagram. I haven't heard anything, so I will be dropping them an email. I just don't think it's acceptable to have items in your box. I did get a second box, which I've done a video of, which is much better. But I'm swithering whether to keep that or send that on. Anywho, have a lovely day, guys, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye bye.